What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk about how we can scale our position sizing on a winning trade and what exactly to look for. So if you've been watching any of my trading videos, you guys know that I use the 20 period moving average when I am scalping the 5-minute chart. In this video, we are covering a trade that I took this morning. That trade was on ticker symbol AMD. So just starting off the video, first off, guys, if you could please drop me a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Also join the Discord that's down in the link below. I would highly appreciate that. Share the video, would help the algorithm out and get my channel out to more people. But let's talk about how we can add to our position when the move is going in our favor. So we're always looking to scalp profits. We're always looking to take cash flow off the table. However, there's also times and instances and setups that allow us to add to our position to increase our overall profit on a potential trade. So in this video, if I pull up my drawing tool here, in this instance, in this particular trade, 6:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on AMD, we do get a reclaim of the 20 period moving average. That is here. Okay. So what are we looking for anytime we reclaim the 20 period moving average? Okay. If you've been watching my videos, you guys should be able to mentally answer this in your head. We are looking for a confirmation on this candle here. We're looking for a confirmation of this price action. Okay. If we get that confirmation, we are going to immediately enter this trade. Where are we going to set our stop? Okay. Again, if you've been watching these videos, you should already know where mentally and or physically you are going to set a stop if this trade decides to move against you. That stop loss is going to be any close on a 5-minute time frame below your entry candle, which is your reason why. Okay, this is your reason why you're taking the trade. This confirmation of this reclaim, we are going to set that at the low tail and or low close of the bar, depending on if there's a tail or not. This is our absolute protection. This is our absolute max stop loss. We do get that first initial push higher off of our entry. The next 5-minute candle is red. It also is a little bit of a rest candle inside bar, and then we get another push higher. This is our second push off our initial entry. However, this is another setup. This is a color change. Okay, we are going to add to our position on this bar. Why are we going to add to our position on this bar? We got our first elephant bar close over the 20 period moving average. Okay, we got our reason why we're going to enter the trade in the next candle. This is where we are going to put our money here. We get a little bit of a, after this pop, we get a little bit of a dip inside bar above our stop loss. And then we get this color change green bar here. So just to make that more clear, let me take off all these lines here. Reclaim, entry. Okay, this is our entry. Okay, color change, confirmation of color change. We are going to take our second entry here and or add to our position. So if we take 100 shares here, okay, we would then add 50 shares here. Okay, then we get a little bit more of a back test and we get our second color change here. We would add 25 shares here. And when we get to our second, third push higher, we are looking for 1, possibly 2 pushes higher before we take profits. Obviously, we would set our stop loss at our last entry candle here. We would be scaling out some of the profits on our first 100 shares, at least 1 to 2 pushes higher. We would be scaling out some of the profits on the second entry, 1 to 2 pushes higher. And obviously our last bit of shares would be our runner. And as long as we do not close below our final entry candle would be our absolute stop. So in this instance here, we do get 1 push higher. We try to get a second push here, however, fails. And anytime we start to see this reversal candlestick here, we know that if the bar opens up and does not take out highs and closes below, just to stop out. So we would have been stopped out on all of our position here, which is still a 20-cent move off of our last entry here. That is just a quick little way on how you can scale out or scale into your position to make your size larger when the trade is moving in your favor. Okay, I hope that helps.